everybody, today we are going to solve a problem from GATE 2025 easy question paper. The question number is 23 and the question is, a 3 input majority logic gate has inputs X, Y and Z. The output F of the gate is logic 1 if 2 or more of the inputs are logic 1. The output F is logic 0 if 2 or more of the inputs are logic 0. Which one of the following options is a Boolean expression of the output F? Once you have a look at this, it may seem to be a toughest one, but actually it is not, right? So here we have three inputs X, Y, Z, and the output is named as F. So it is a very simple logic. So let's have a truth table for this, and we name them as X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, and the output as F. Okay. So since you have three number of inputs, here we have three inputs. So how many combinations are possible? 2 power 3 combinations are possible, right? So on that case, we will be having total 8 combinations. So it is varying from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, right? So it's the easiest way to fill up this table is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then you have to put 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, right? Then here 4 zeros followed by 4 ones. The actual values, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. That means 0, 0, 1 is 1, 0, 1, 0 is 2. That is, this is the binary value, right? This is the decimal value. So 0, 1, 1 is the binary value, its equivalent decimal is 3. So then 1, 0, 0 is 4, this is 5, 1, 1, 0 is 6, and then 1, 1, 1 is 7. So we have 8 different combinations from 0 to 7. Now you have a look at this. If the gate is logic 1, if 2 or more of the inputs are logic 1. That means here you see 3 number of logic zeros are there. So here it is coming under the second case. The output F is logic 0 if 2 or more of the inputs are logic 0. So it is 0. Here how many zeros and ones are there? 2 zeros. So the majority, right? Majority are 0. So you have to put a 0. Here how many zeros and ones? 2 number of zeros, single one. So its majority is 0. So it is 0. And then the next case 0, 1, 1. 2 number of ones. So majority is 1. So you give a 1. Majority is 1. So you get a 1. So in 1, 0, 0 the majority is 2 number of zeros. So the output is 0. Here 1, 0, 1. Majority is 2 number of ones here, right? So output is 1. Here 1, 1, 0 the majority is 1. So output is 1. Here 3 number of ones. So it is also again. Okay, this is how we actually fill up this truth table. This is the truth table for the functioning of this particular logic gates. Once you have this truth table, you can go for K-map. So we have drawn a K-map for this to simplify. We have drawn a K-map to simplify this truth table. So here you can take X and Y is at the variable 0, 1, and here it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and then 1, 0. So this cell represents 0, 1, then this is 2, 3, then this is 4, 5, and here it is 6 and 7. So if you check the ones at the output, it corresponds to 3, 5, 6, and 7. So you can mark a 1 corresponding to that. So 3, then 5, then 6, and then 7. So now you can combine these two ones into groups, right? So here you can form these two together, you can form these two together, and these two can be formed, right? Now corresponding to this loop, it is here as well as these two, right? So it is X, and then on this side 0, 1, so it is cancelled for Y, 1, 1 for Z, so Z only exists. Then when you go for this loop, this corresponds to this 1 of X, and on this side you have this 1, 1 as well as this 1, 0. So 1, 1, 1, 0 means Y is 1, 1, but Z is 1, 0. So Z get cancelled, but Y will be there. So this corresponds to XY. So when you go for this corresponds to, on this side it is X of both, okay. So 0 and 1, so it get cancelled, X get cancelled, but here it is corresponding to 1, 1 of YZ, so it is YZ. So the answer is xy, this term is available here. YZ, this term is available, plus XZ or ZX, this is available. So A is the answer. Okay. Thank you. Hope you have understood.